Finally, it's here, and it's the ROKR Dream Gift Factory. Oh my god! And on this video, I'm gonna unbox it. Let's check it out. Yay, it's here. I've been talking about this for quite some time, and then it got stuck, and oh my god, because it came from China, but oh my god, fresh from the press, I've got the Robotime ROKR Dream Gift Factory. And it's a music box. Oh my god, so cool, so cool. But what I'm gonna do in this video, I'm gonna do the unboxing, and then there's gonna be the full build and then the review. Been waiting for this for quite some time, and I was hoping that it would arrive before Christmas, and here we are. Before I unbox it, I would like to remind you of my merchandise shop. Look at this! Oh, what do you reckon? At the moment, we don't have a lot of designs, but it's growing. And this is from the print on demand, but it's on my website. And I'm so happy of the quality. I don't know if you can see it, but I was really, really impressed with the colors and the quality. And this is also dishwasher safe. But I'm going to put the link to my website in the description. So if you would like to check out my website and the shop on my website, this came from there. But let me stop fuffing about and let's unbox the Dream Gift Factory. It's a bit of a mouthful to say. Very, very excited. But let's have a look at the box. Okay, this is because this is mechanical. As you can see, it's by ROKR. And I have said in all of my videos about these kinds of sets. The manufacturer is Robotime in China, but then they distribute it under different brands. One is ROKR, which is all the mechanical puzzles, and then you've got Raw Life, which is all more colourful and cute things, and then they introduced last year Raw Wood, which is the flowers. Well, at the moment is all of the flower series come under Raw Wood. But let's check it out. I'm really loving the box because this is like embossed, and I don't know if you can see it, but it's also a bit metallic. And also like the little stars on the side are a little bit, well, not a little bit, they are metallic. And so cool. So it's the Dream Gift Factory, and it's a part of the series of the Magic Amusement Park. It's obviously DIY. It's got lights, and also it's got movements and all of that. And it's a music box. And for the age is 14 and above. But I just love the box as well. Their designs are really, really incredible. I really like it. And that's what it's like all the way around. There's not much else that they tell you. And then when we turn it around, there's more models. So they do a little bit of advertising. And then you got, amusement park, and there's gift conveying belt, tower raw material barrel, gift decoration table, and rotary packing area. It looks like this is off the scale on the level of difficulty because it's got 6 stars and they're all ticked. Oh my god. Blimey, let's see. It's got 449 pieces. The dimensions are 244 by 163 by 256 millimeters. Then you've got all the details, and the series name is Magic Amusement Park. The product name is Dream Gift Factory. The model number is EAB01. And then the material is MDF board, plywood and plastic. The brand owner is Robotime Technology. And then the address, it's in China. The manufacturing address is in China. And then you've got a website. And then the warning about choking hazard for like small little parts. And And I looked on the website and it says that to build this is going to take about 12 hours. Oh my God. And also what worries me is the 6 stars level of difficulty. Oh my God. Am I going to break anything? I hope not. I really hope not, because I absolutely love it. So we will see about that. It's a music box, but they don't tell you what the music is going to be. So there's going to be a reveal. I'm going to see if there's a clue on the instructions. Ooh. But let's say they don't even tell you on the website. I checked it and they don't. And yeah, I've already said it. It takes 12 hours to build, allegedly. Let's see how long it's going to take me. But this video is just going to be the unboxing, because I think the videos are going to be pretty long. Most of all with 12 hours of building time. What? But let's get on with it. Are you ready for this? Oh, this box is so big. Oh, let's rip it. Are you ready? Oh, 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 even the instructions smell amazing. Oh, see, that's meant to contain the wax, but I'm pretty sure that it's not going to be in the box, and I believe it's because of the shipping and custom and all the rest of it. I don't think they can. Oh, how I miss this. As you can see, yeah, the instructions, I find the instructions really cool and really brilliant. So we're gonna have loads of like little bits of like laser cut wood, and they're all gonna be labeled with a letter and a number. So it tells you all the bits that you will need to build the first bit, and then so on. You're just gonna have all of the little bits. Oh, this is brilliant. Oh, and there we go. But I think they still don't tell you what the music is going to be. Yeah, doesn't look like they tell you what the music is going to be inside. But oh, smell amazing. But look at this. Oh, blimey, this is a big chunk. Look at that. Look at all this wood. Look at the colors. These are all the little elves. Oh, and you've got the little sandpaper. Oh, this is going to be a tool that is going to help you to build the gift factory. Oh, look. Oh, I think we're going to have, oh, this is all the wood. This is all the wood. Oh my God. The smell of laser cut wood. Is it just me? Do you like it as well? Because I absolutely love it. Oh my God. This is amazing. I love the smell of laser cut wood. Oh, this time we've got a lot of plasticky bits as well. Oh, look at that. Oh, yeah, there's quite a bit of plasticky bits. Oh, I'm assuming this is for one of the conveyor belts. Oh, don't know what that is. I'm sure I'll find out soon. See, it's got lights. Oh, it's got a nail file as well. I guess this is like for the components again, like for the rotating bits, the conveyor belt. Oh my God, no way. So there is a little bit of wax, I guess. Oh, and I just broken it. Oh, never mind. But yeah, it looks like, oh, I hope it wasn't anything important, please. Yeah, I think it was the wax. But I'm not sure. I never use the wax. I've only received in a couple of occasions. I found on a couple of kits that I built that the wax was never included. So I did invest on some wood balsam and it works a treat. So that might be what I will be using in this kit. But let's see how I get on. Because this wax feels very hard. Don't know. Not sure about this. And then you've got the screwdriver. You've got the cutting thingy. And I guess that's for the plastic to cut all the bits off. And then we've got a tiny little board. I'm sure we'll find out what this is for. Oh, yeah, this is the little board where you attach, I guess, all the lights and stuff. And then we've got, is this the music box? No, this rotates. Does it? Oh, I don't know. I'm so confused. What is this? Oh, that's the motor. Yeah. So what are we missing? Oh, and that's it. It does say there is a music box, so okay, let's go with it. I'm sure we'll find out. Is it this? P21. Let's have a look what that is. Oh, that's the loudspeaker. Ooh. Okay, it's not powered by batteries, but I thought you just plug in the USB onto an adapter. Now I'm a little bit confused on what you need. I guess we'll find out once I build it how it's going to work out. But let's have a look at the wood. So the little sandpaper. I can't help it. It just smells too good. So we've got the little elves, as I said earlier. And then, look at all these cogs. And we've got this plastic sheet. We've got some card. This feels quite thick. And a little bit, well, maybe it's not card. I think it might be plasticky. Oh, look at all these components. This feels really, really thin. Look at this. Yeah, look at them. This is a little bit thicker. Oh, those colors, and they've got like, these are gold. Oh, and so are these. Oh my God, how beautiful. Oh, the colors are really, really cool. Oh, look at these. And all the details. Oh my God, there's a lot of very tiny bits. Oh, I'm really hoping. I'm really bad for this because I usually break things. But the good thing is that they give you quite a few spare bits. So I'm hoping that they've done the same. Oh, look at this. Oh, the Dream Gift Factory. ROKR. Oh, look at them. Yeah, beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Oh, this is the Christmas tree at the end. Love it. Absolutely love it. This is going to be fun and scary at the same time. Okay, I looked at the instructions. They don't really tell you in the box what you need to power it. So you don't just need an adapter as I thought, because I couldn't see a USB cable. But what you've got, this is the power, and this has got a USB-C. So you will need a cable with the USB-C on one side and the USB on the other side, and then you need an adapter to power it. So if you do buy it, make sure that you've got that, because that is not included. But let me show you. So you've got on this little tiny thing, you've got, can you see that? That is the USB-C attachment, and then you've got the attachment at the back. So the boards are probably going to be well, one board is going to be attached there. I don't know if these are going to be connection. No, that looks like it's black. But yeah, so that's going to be attached to the board. And this is going to be, it's the USB-C connection. And you need a cable, USB-C to USB. And then to plug it in and make it work. Oh, this is very exciting. Yeah, it's a little bit of a shame that it's not clearer on the instructions or even on the box that that's what you need, unless it's me missing something. Yeah, it's a shame that on the box they don't actually tell you what you need to power it. However, if you purchase it from their website, it mentions something about the cable. Maybe I forgot or misread. That is USB-C to USB, and then you need the adapter as well. Or because I'm not sure that you can get the USB-C directly to plug into the wall or whatever. But I guess that's how they make it international. So yeah, you just need the USB-C to USB, and then you can get the power adapter for the country you're in. I am loving it already, and see if I'm gonna love it once I finish building it. But now that this is unboxed, all we need to do is build it. So exciting. But I'm gonna love you and leave you for now, and I'll see you at the building. And as a reminder, don't forget to check out my merchandise. As I said, there will be more and more and more and more designs coming up. And 2025 is going to be the year where we've got so many plans and so many things that we would like to do. These are available from my website. So the link is going to be in the description if you want to check it out. Also, I am on Ko-fi if you would like to buy me a coffee and support my channel. But thank you so much for watching, and if you have enjoyed this video, why not give me the thumbs up? It really helps my channel to grow. And also, why not subscribe and hit the bell so you can receive the notifications on when the next video is going to be out, because as I said, I've done the unboxing now, but there's going to be the building and then the time for the review. That's going to be so cool, so cool. But once again, thank you so much for watching. Take care for now. Bye bye.